Yeah, so there's been an incident in the school. One victim was affected. We were here last night, as you remember, and had meetings with the parents, consulted actually quite thoroughly, and agreed together that we were going to bring forward the half term that was supposed to start next week to this week, so that the girls can go home this morning and come back after to resume their studies. During that time, the investigations that have begun already, that began immediately this incident happened, will continue so that we get a comprehensive report. We will also be carrying out our own security assessment to make sure that any gaps that may exist are actually addressed, to ensure that when the girls come back, they actually come back to an environment of safety.
Ndiramenyire horo wa incident ino iguku ya mwana ucio uratwikire raped through news cioka cia thaa imwe niguo ndiranjirie kuhurirwo thimu ni friends na andu a family makinjuria kana mwana wakwa e safe. Riu ndiroi ni undu wina kieha muno kuri ithuĩ turi aciari, tondu muciari agitwara mwana wake thukuru oi kuu nikuo kundu kuria mwana ena thayo muno, kundu kuria mwana atangiona ugwati. Na riu riri ni rita ria keri Moi Girls, ria mbere wari mwaki, bado ithuĩ twita aciari twamenyire through breaking news again. Riu riri ni rita ria keri there is a rape. Na riu kiuria kiria nie ndireyuria ndi muciari ni atiriri, arume maraingirire atia thukuru? How?
Naweza tu kufurahia nikiona wame improve security, wenye wanaweza kuwa alert, ndio na pia wa tighten sheria za kuingia kwa gate, ndio wahalifu wasiweze kuingia kwa haraka.